Crazy Nandan. Today we'll be making a cherry blossom tree, painting it with the air bubble wrap and using only 2 colors. Let's jump in the video. Okay, I have 2 colors, red and white here. Then I'm gonna take a painted tree and my piece of bubble air wrap. You can get this in your storage. Gonna dip them in the colors and just paint it on the tree like this. Make sure you do it lightly so it gets the cherry blossom like look. Then you're gonna keep repeating that over and over again. Okay, now I will do the top. You're gonna just not make it to the upper branch. You're gonna just make it till here. And then I'm gonna take all of the color left over and I'm gonna make it on the center of the tree too, like this. Now I'm just gonna paint some cherry blossom fallen down so it gets the real look. And that's our cherry blossom, guys. Hope you love this 1-minute tutorial.